We came to Dundee to inspect how well services are given extra help to children and young people to keep them safe. All children and young people have the right to feel loved, have the care they need to grow and develop and be protected from harm. We wanted to understand how well services are supporting children, young people and their families who need extra help. This could be from teachers, health visitors, police, nurses, doctors, family support workers, social workers, or others. Children, young people, and parents and carers completed our surveys. We also met with lots of children, young people, parents and carers and heard what they had to say about services. Here are some of the things that we found were working well for children and young people in Dundee. In Dundee, most children and young people were being helped by staff to stay safe. They continued to be helped to stay safe through the pandemic. Children and young people got on well with the staff. Staff worked hard to keep in touch with children and young people in the course of the pandemic. This helped children and young people to feel safer. Staff worked well together to give children and families the help they needed. The people in charge of services worked well together and made sure staff were working well together too. This kept going well as the pandemic continued. Here are some of the things that services in Dundee need to do better. Staff did not find it easy to notice and report their worries about young people aged 13 to 17. It was easier to notice and report worries about younger children. Children, young people, parents and carers did not always find that they could give their views easily at important meetings. They did not often get the chance to give their views about how services should change and get better. Services to support children and young people with their mental health and their emotions were not always available and easy to access. Leaders were not asking enough about the difference help has made to children and families' lives. Overall, we found that services in Dundee were having a good impact on children and young people who need help to stay safe. Although there were some things that they could do better, services had helped lots of children, young people and their families to get the help they needed. Thank you to all the children and young people who spoke to us during our inspection and completed our surveys. Our full inspection report can be found at careinspectorate.com. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter.